Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Gmail on your laptop and confirming which account you'll clean. Make sure you can access recovery methods. Once signed in, open the search bar and enter a focused query, like label promotions from example at example. Com or before 2024/01/01 to target messages. You use a desktop browser because selection features work best here. Make sure extensions are off if they change layout. Once you've confirmed the query returns the right messages, move to select them. You click the top checkbox to select the paged messages, then immediately click the blue link that says, Select all conversations that match this search, when it appears. This expands selection beyond the visible 50. Once done, scroll through a few messages to confirm nothing critical is included. Open and star any exceptions. Make sure to uncheck specific threads before proceeding. If labels or filters should be preserved, remove labels here. After verifying, prepare to apply the delete action. Click the trash icon to move all selected conversations to bin. Gmail will auto-delete them after 30 days, but you can empty bin manually to free space immediately. Once done, confirm storage reflects the change and sync completes. If the selection or delete fails, refresh the page, clear cache, or open Gmail in an incognito window to retry. If messages reappear, check filters, delegated access, or other devices. Make sure you have full account permissions before repeating the bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.